Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start in Visual Studio Code, create index, HTML, and place the HTML skeleton immediately. You want a predictable structure because styling targets need elements to exist. Once created, add either an internal style block inside head or link an external CSS file with rel equals stylesheet. Make sure your file is saved so live preview or extensions pick it up. This first step sets the stage. You now have an element to style and a CSS destination where color rules will live. Now you write the actual CSS rule to change text color. Select the element, for example, highlight or hash title or P, then set color, hash FF 4500 or color, RGB 255-69-0, both work, and RGBA allows transparency. If you need background contrast, adjust background color accordingly. Save the CSS and reload the preview. If you use Live Server, it updates automatically. Understanding selectors and color formats explains why some rules override others. Specificity matters, so be deliberate. Finish by confirming the color appears as intended across views. If it does not, inspect the element using dev tools to examine computed styles and source rule origins. Make sure your selector has sufficient specificity. A later or more specific rule may override your color. If necessary, increase specificity or move rules. Avoid relying on important except as a last resort. Finally, test in different viewports or themes. Contrast and user settings can change perceived color, so verify accessibility and legibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.